Hello, everybody. Welcome to this channel. Today, let's get to know how to get started with Python. First, you have to go to the website python.org/download/, and here you have to press the first download Python button. So, for me right now, it is download Python 3.12.7. So, press it. After getting downloaded, press this icon which has a box and an arrow so it opens. So press this, wait for a few minutes. So after the download, we can close it. Now go to jetbrains.com/pycharm/ and press download. If this says professional, scroll down and come to PyCharm Community Edition if you don't want to pay money. So the download is started. So when the download is ready, go to this download section and do the same process by pressing this button. So now you're gonna get this. Press next. Press the destination folder. I would like the same, the default one, and use press this for getting a desktop shortcut, and next install. After that, for just take this and press finish. Now shortly PyCharm is gonna open. So after opening it, just press this and continue, and press don't send, and again it's gonna take a little time, but it's gonna open. Patience please. So now PyCharm has opened. Maximize the screen, press new object, new project. So let's change the project name, and it's not recommended to click the create a welcome script option, but it's just gonna give a ready-made project and press create. Now you're gonna get your screen something like this. So for creating a file, that is the Python file, press this four bars, that is the main menu, and go to file, press not new project, new. New means new file. So press Python file, and here also Python file, and name your file. Sorry for that. And this is your first Python file. And even if you choose to create a welcome script, you'll just get the same thing, but with code here for welcoming you. So print. Wow, it's too small. So let me teach you how to change the layout and stuff. So go to file, press settings, and you're gonna get a thing like this. Press editor and just unlock this. So you get all of these. So go to font. So I'm gonna change the size. 13 is small to me, so I'm making it 25. So it's clearly visible for you guys, and I'll just change this to something like, yeah, Lucida console, because it's nice and clean. So this is gonna be my text. Okay, and let's type our first Python code. So print is the basic one. So print double quotes or single quotes, both are fine. I would like to use double quotes and print subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. And for running it, press this play button near current file on the top, and you get it. Subscribe. Now you have to subscribe to my channel. Now I don't know. I want to change the layout of this also. Go to file, press settings, editor, color scheme, console colors, and system output, which is this. The foreground, so somewhere black. Oh, done. So now I am done. Okay, and whatever I want is visible here. Hope you all enjoyed this session, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. Subscribe to this channel, and bye bye, everybody.